If you want to speed up your Redmi A7 Pro in order to boost the speed of the device, what you can do is you can go to the security app, and then in here we can find a couple of things that we can use. For example, we can use the optimization option that appears here at the top of the app after a short while. There we go. So you can use this optimize button to quickly go through the security checks. We also have the clear cache option, which might be quite useful, and there's also the security optimization as well. So of course we can do that. Besides that, what you can also do is you can use the boost speed option in here. So after using this option, wait a couple of seconds to let it summarize all the things that you can do. So you can see that we have some third-party apps running, we have system apps running, and there are also locked running apps if there are any. Of course, you can exclude something from this list if you want to, but if you are ready, then you can just tap on boost speed, and at least in theory, the device should be slightly fast after that. Another thing that you can do is you can go to settings. Over here we're gonna scroll down and you want to open additional settings, and then in here you can go to memory extension and you want to make sure that you use 4 GB of additional memory. You might need to restart your phone after trying to switch to 4 GB, but of course once you do that you should be able to have a little bit more RAM. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.